Hey guys, good morning guys. Hope you guys are doing okay. Hope you guys are doing fine. All the Chinwes family, all the Chinwes lovers, hope you guys are doing good wherever you are. Glory be to God for another beautiful day. Thank you guys for coming in. This is another video, and guys, guess what? We are unboxing. Yes guys, we are unboxing. See, let me tell you, I summoned up courage to do this because I hardly do such video because I'm not good at it. I am learning. Yes, I am learning. Though I talk, but guys, unboxing and start explaining is not my thing. But I just have to learn it because everything is content, you know. So guys, we are going to be unboxing today. Yes, we are going to be unboxing clothing today, and if you can see, it's H&M. Today I shopped at H&M for the kids. So guys, winter is fast approaching, you know, and it's already getting cold. Some days are cold, some days are hot. Not that hot, but it's time for the kids to start dressing on I think with winter gadgets. Not just winter gadget, but it's necessary for them to cover up for now because the cold is somehow and it's too much for them. If you're just coming across my channel, I and my kids just relocated to Italy. We came to join my husband in March this year 2024, and as when I'm filming this video, this is September. So when we came in, the winter was already, you know, fading away. So it was not that cold, though it was cold, but not that cold. So now I and the kids, we are going to be experiencing the main winter. I feel it is time for us to start shopping for them and start preparing for the main winter because, you know, from my country to here, coming from a place that is hot to a place that is cold, you should know what it is. We started getting winter things for them, not the thick ones, but the light ones that they can use for now until when it becomes too cold. We start getting for them those ones they can use. What is in here is mainly for the kids and little for me, I guess, little for me. So first of all, I'm going to bring out this pair of shoes. Guys, I love this. I love this shoe, and my husband said it can be used for winter because inside the shoe is how will I put it? There is this floor. I beg, no blame me. This floor inside has something hairy. Sorry, this hairy stuff inside this shoe. So I believe you can still use it for winter when it's high like that. So you can see this beautiful shoe. I got this shoe for greatness. My last baby, my last daughter. So I got it for her. So we got it for €34.99. So this shoe was gotten for €34.99, and it's from H&M. You can see it. It's from H&M. So I got this shoe for my beautiful daughter greatness. So let me keep this one aside. Come out. So I got this sneakers, guys. I love this sneakers. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. I got this for my first daughter Amanda. She wears size 37, so I got this for her. It's so beautiful. Though most of her shoes are white, but I couldn't let go of this shoe because it's beautiful and it's unique. It's beautiful. I love this shoe. So let's keep unboxing. Okay, we got these two pieces. This is two pieces. Let me bring the trouser. Okay, this is the trouser. This is the trouser, two piece. Okay, I didn't tell you guys the price of these sneakers. The price of this, we got this sneaker for €37. If you can see, €37.99. Got it for €37.99. Very beautiful, guys. Very beautiful. So we got these two pieces for my Madam Greatness. Where's the price? I can see the price. I can see the price. Okay, €9. This is the price. €9.99. So we got these 2 pieces for greatness. This is the trouser, and this is the shirt. I think the cardigan or so. So she wears. We bought it for 8 to 9 years. So greatness is not yet 8 years. She'll be 8 years by December, but trying to get 8 to 9 years for her. So we got it one. Is in 3 places. We got this one. This is the second one. Very beautiful. And this is a trouser. Very, very beautiful. 2 pieces. 2 pieces. Oh yeah. This is the second one. The same price. €9.99. Same price.
Marathon fun.
And this is the third one. We got 3 for her. This is the third one. The hot blood color. Very beautiful. This is the trouser. Very beautiful. And this is the top. Same price.
This is beautiful.
Same price.
Throw your bag, baby.
€9.99. Very beautiful. So it's 3 guys. 3 pairs. So okay, I got this for myself. It's a black leggings, very thick. I don't have leggings, so when I was coming to Europe, I didn't come with any clothes. So most of my leggings, everything, I gave all my clothing out. So now I'm trying to shop for myself little by little to recover. So this is for me. It's a black leggings. This is a black leggings for me. Very beautiful. Okay, we got this for, where's the price? Okay, we got this for €9.99. €9.99. We got this dog. I love this. We got this beautiful sweatshirt. This beautiful sweatshirt for Amanda. This is for Amanda. We got it for €15.99. So just this one is €15.99. So very beautiful, guys. Very beautiful. You can pair it up with jean trousers. You can pair it up with skirts. You can pair it up with even leggings. You know, you can pair it up with that. And I love the color. This is the next one. I got this beautiful gown for myself. I love this gown, guys. I love the gown. So there's slits by the side of the gown. Very beautiful. Okay. Okay, the slit is only on one side though. I didn't know. I thought it was on both sides, guys. It's only on one side. From H&M as well. It's from H&M. So don't say I'm showcasing H&M bag and the clothes are not from H&M. So the clothes all are from H&M. I got this for €19.99, guys. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. The next here is, guys, I won't show you guys this. This is, you know, this is private stuff for me. Private stuff for me. And this is also private stuff for me. I will show you guys this. Okay, let me hide my private stuff. This is the next one. This is the. Let me tell you. See that we are not done. This is the next shoe. So this is the look-alike of the first white shoe I showed you guys, and this is for my son. This is for my son, Emmanuel, and he uses size 40. Guys can imagine, a boy of 13 years uses size 40. Very beautiful shoe. I love this shoe so much. I love it very, very much. Very, very beautiful shoe. So guys, that is all what is in here again. So in here is just tights. I got this tight for myself. It's 2 pairs. I don't know if it's called this tight. Is it condom tight? or so. See, condom tight, I don't know what they call it. This condom tight, I got it for myself, and I got it for 25.99. So everything we spent, I don't know the price, but everything we spent was roughly, we spent up to 250 something euro. The price tag is small here. Maybe I removed it yesterday. So we spent up to 250 something euro yesterday while shopping for I and the kid. In everything we got, what is your favorite? Don't worry, I'm going to be doing try on all for you guys very soon. There's a reason why I am not trying it on today. I'm supposed to try mine on for you guys and also try it on the kids as well, so that you guys can see the beauty. But for personal reasons, I decided to keep back. But very soon I'm going to start doing try on haul for you guys, both for the kids and for myself as well. So guys, that's everything we got, and we are still buying because I also ordered things from Temu and they will soon deliver it. So when they deliver that, I will still unbox it with you guys. So just tell me in the comment section which one you love. Which one you love for inside. Which one is your favorite among all these things we got? It's not easy shopping for kids, guys. It's not cheap at all. The reason why I am telling you guys the price, I am not coming about a fake life. I am not a fake person that I will buy something for 20 euro and I will come and tell you guys I bought it for 100 euro. No, it's all about reality. Yes, Chinwoyemechi's channel is all about reality. So guys, I've showed you guys everything here. So just tell me in the comment section which of them you love so much. See you guys in my next video. If you have watched up to this extent and you've not subscribed, please abeg support me by subscribing, like, share, drop your comments. Very important. Till I come your way again.